every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper. Would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was? If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
外でもなんか撮ってたのかな。
誰撮った？
ラップするし。ラップしたできてます。いい色。
もやめっちゃいい色。 still young, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture of the sky now, it looks so grateful. We've been playing business for it, and you haven't said a word to me.
OK
Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching?
はい、乾杯。
はい乾杯。
If it's over,
美味しい。
say it out loud.
甘っ。
甘いって言ってた。ノンアルもこのコスト一緒か
Shout it out.
うまそう。だな、ヤクルト戦。
貼っとくわ親が。
Paris in July, got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been playing his since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when